Yeah, baby, cool your temper.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to be using this palette. Is the Profusion Sultry 24 shade eyeshadow. So previously I used this eyeshadow palette to do like a really easy makeup. So the eyeshadow color was really popping and I was like, no, I have to video this. I have to create a really awesome look using this palette and using those shades. But anyway, we're gonna start by using this palette. I already set and primed my eyelids, so where I go. Okay, so for my first transition color, I'm going to be using this color right here. It's like a really nice peachy color and the color name is Ecstatic. So that will be my first transition color. This is right on my lid and I'm gonna blend.
Girl, you make me crazy. Baby, cool your temper. Baby, no debates. Girl, you make me mental. Girl, you make me crazy.
And now I'm going to take this purple shade right here. It's called Nimble. I'm going to place that as my second transition color. Look at the pigmentation though. Look at that. Yes.
Be my grade, come to my place, I get the high grade.
So after that, I'm gonna go back with my first transition color and blend out my second and first transition color.
Make you no late, hey, baby, my grade, come to my place.
Okay, so to cut my crease, I'm gonna be using this Ruby Kisses concealer. Is the 3D face creator and I'm going to be taking this lighter color right here.
I get the high grade, make you no late, baby.
And I'm going to cut it all the way.
Let's have a good time. Touch me, I touch you time. Do me, I do you.
With that second transition color.
Time. Baby, just make me feel fine.
So after cutting my lid, I'm going to take this is a stiff straight blending brush and I'm gonna go ahead and also tap on this dark brown color that is called Nimble. I really love that color. And then I'm gonna pack this on the outer portion of my lid. We're gonna place that right. Look at the pigmentation. Let me tell you one thing. This is one thing about Profusion. They never fail with their eyeshadow and they are so affordable. Like, I just love it. So I'm going to pack that right there like that, like so. And while we're packing, we are also going to blend with our crease color.
Baby, let's have a good time. Putting me in the mood time. Making me feel good.
And also one tip to blend those in betweens is to just take the eyeshadow brush and just dab, literally just dab, easily and gently dab, and that's gonna help blend those harsh lines. That's one thing that I learned, and you will be good. Kind of blend. Okay, so I think that is it for now. And now for the magical color, which is this color right here. This color is called Ella. Oh my god, this color is so gorgeous. So I'm going to take this straight brush and I'm going to dip on this eyeshadow. This is the magical eyeshadow. It is called Ella. It's like a fluorescent, it's like purple, blue, I don't know. It just changes color. It is so gorgeous. Look at that. Look at this. I hope you're seeing this, right?
Chopping, you know, be full time.
Of course, I'm gonna go ahead and take that stiff brush and blend. First transition color and blend.
Yeah, baby, cool your temper. Baby, no.
I'm gonna go ahead and apply this liquid liner. It's the Ruby Kisses black liquid liner. And I'm only gonna apply just a little bit I'm not creating any wings.
Debates. Girl, you make me mental. Girl, you make me crazy.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply this lashes that I got from eBay. They are the bomb. I'm gonna put this on off camera. I'm done with the eyes. So the next thing I'm gonna do is apply some highlighter, and I'm actually gonna use this eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using the same color that I use on my eyelids because I just love it.
Baby, cool it temper. Baby, no debates. Girl, you make me mental. Girl, you make me crazy. Baby, migrate, oh. Come to my place, oh. I get the high grade, oh. Make you no late, oh. Baby, migrate, oh. Come to my place, oh. I get the high grade, oh. Make you no.
And I think for my lipstick, I'm going to be using this right here because I just want something nude. Of course, I'm going to mix it up. So
baby, come closer.
Yeah, I'm just going to go out like this because, you know, I'm the shit. So, yeah.
Come closer. I want you, only you. I want no other. Baby, come closer. Come closer. Baby, I want your money.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Also, I'm using a different backdrop. Let me know if you prefer the white backdrop or this backdrop, because I feel like this backdrop is not doing this look, you know. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this is the finished look. I really love it. Like off camera it looks so bomb. Like I'm looking at the mirror right now and I'm like, yes. But anyway, yeah, this is it. Don't forget my next video will be uploading on Wednesday, so make sure you come back to check my new video. Thank you so much. Bye.
Make we get down.